Hey guys, welcome back to Flippin' DIY. Today I am taking this bedside table that I found on Facebook Marketplace for £5 and giving it a bit of a makeover. Now this is actually my very first ever furniture flip. I can't wait to bring you guys along and show you how I transformed it. I can't wait to share all of my other projects with you, so do make sure that you subscribe and let's just jump straight into it. Okay, so first just ignore the state of my garage. We soon move indoors because there's just not enough space out here at the moment. Hopefully I can renovate this a little bit to have a nice workspace, but for now this is what I'm working with. So I just need to go in and clean the piece down just to get rid of all of the dust and grime and stuff, and then I go in with the sander, but it's not too long until I realized that it's actually got like a layer of wax on it, so it was just clogging up the sander really bad. So I needed to get all of that wax off before I could then go in and sand it all down. So I'm using some paint and varnish stripper, but I am looking for some better stuff. This took so long and was so messy, so if you know any good varnish strippers, please do let me know down in the comments. Like I said, I'm completely new at this and this is just the first thing I saw, so I picked it up, but I'm pretty sure there is better stuff out there, so do let me know if you know of any. But yeah, I just left this on for a few hours and then scraped it all off and came to it the next day. So I started off by using the 80 grit sandpaper and then went on to use the 120, and I did all the top and the sides and everything with the electric sander because it was just so much easier, and then I did all of the harder to reach places and the corners and everything by hand just so I didn't damage the wood or anything, and I think it turned out really well. So I wasn't really sure if this piece was going to need 2 coats of primer or not, so I did just go ahead and pop 2 coats on because I thought better safe than sorry, at least it's on there and I'm not going to regret not having it. So I just went ahead and put the 2 coats on and then let it dry overnight before moving it indoors to do the painting. So it's now time to stick the hardware on, and I went with this brushed chrome. I just think it looks really pretty against the grey, and then I can go ahead and pop on the finishing wax. And I really need a wax brush, but I just don't have one at the moment, so I'm putting it on with a cloth, but it still seemed to work really well. So once that was all done, all I needed to do was stage it for photos, and I'm just going to remind you what it looked like before and what it looks like now. It's such a transformation, and I had so much fun with this project, and I can't wait to share all of my others. So don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you back here in the next one.